They say there are two types of student toppers, and the rest, well, not really. There are actually two sides to every topper. Take a look. In this photo, you see a grand medal ceremony. Proud parents, bright smiles, flashing cameras, all the world matters. A topper stands tall, holding the trophy high. See the second picture now? Same topper, same achievements, but alone at a party, watching others laugh and talk in groups. Why is he alone? Why do toppers struggle with love and dating? And how can they fix it? Let's find out! Toppers are trained for one thing from childhood. It's beta. Study first, everything else later. And they do exactly that. Hours in coaching centers, libraries, and exam halls. They master equations, theories, and formulas, but forget one subject: life. As a result, they have high IQ but low EQ. They ace exams, but fail at conversations. They know how to solve calculus, but don't know how to say, "Hi, how are you?" Without overthinking, there are 3 brutal reasons why. 1. Fear of failure. Toppers are used to winning. To them, anything less than the best is failure. So naturally, they fear rejection. The risk is too high. One wrong move and their self-esteem takes a hit. No wonder toppers avoid dating. They'd rather stay single than take the risk. 2. Lack of practice. While others learn social skills at parties, outings, and conversations, toppers are stuck solving mock tests. They lack the experience to hold a conversation, crack jokes, or make eye contact. Plus, most toppers are introverts who feel drained at parties, making it even harder to socialize. 3. Overthinking. Toppers overanalyze everything. What to say? How to say? What if she laughs? What if it goes wrong? By the time they plan the perfect line, the moment is gone. No wonder toppers freeze up during conversations, especially with the opposite sex. Look, love isn't maths. You can't solve it with formulas. Now, all this creates a silent frustration inside them. You've achieved everything on paper, the highest marks, the best degree, the brightest future. But deep down, you feel incomplete. You look at classmates who scored less than you, but are happier, more confident, with better relationships. You start wondering, am I good only 4 grades? Is something wrong with me? This isn't just a small issue. It's a mental health struggle many toppers never talk about. Here's the hard truth. Social skills are skills. They can be learned and mastered, just like physics or maths. Here's how toppers can find love after graduation. 1. Stop chasing perfection. You don't need the perfect line. Be real. Be human. 2. Step out of your comfort zone. Talk to people. Daily, even strangers. Start small. 3. Accept rejection. Failing in love is like failing a test. It only teaches you. The more you try, the better you get. 4. Build confidence through hobbies, sports, music, theater, public speaking. These force you to interact, express, and shine beyond books. Remember this: marks may get you a degree, but confidence, communication, and emotional intelligence will get you love, respect, and a meaningful life. So here's the big question. Which do you value more? To be the topper of your class or the topper of your own life? Think about it. Now, some of you might be thinking, I'm not a topper, so this video doesn't apply to me. Well, think again. Every topper was once an average student, and every average student has the potential to become a topper. What sets them apart is how they manage their lives, their relationships, and their emotions. So if you're someone who thinks they'll always be the average student, this video is for you. This is for everyone who wants to find love and happiness beyond grades. Marks may define your career, but confidence defines your life. Do you agree with this? Tell me in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe because we're just getting started. Thank you for watching. See you soon!